Tired of lag, buffering, and weak Wi-Fi signals dragging your PC down? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best wireless internet adapters for PC for this year, each chosen for blazing fast speeds, rock-solid stability, and next-gen tech to supercharge your connection. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews for more of the latest and greatest picks. Number 1 is the TP-Link Archer TXE75E. A true powerhouse, the TP-Link Archer TXE75E unleashes the latest Wi-Fi 7 capabilities with up to 5.8 gigabits of speed across 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. That's ideal for competitive gamers, remote workers, or anyone who needs lightning-fast, stable internet for 8K streaming, cloud gaming, or video conferencing. With 320 MHz channels, 4096 QAM, and multi-link operation (MLO), it can pull from multiple bands simultaneously, cutting down on latency and boosting performance when it matters most. Bluetooth 5.3 makes connecting your headset, keyboard, or controller seamless, and the magnetic antenna base helps ensure a strong signal even through walls. Setup's quick. Just install it in a PCIe X1 slot, plug in the USB header for Bluetooth, and you're good to go. Just a heads up, full MLO support needs Windows 11, 24HQ, and a Wi-Fi 7 router. At around $70 with a 2-year warranty, it's not the cheapest option, but for serious speed seekers, it's a no-brainer. For gamers and streamers looking to future-proof their setup, the Archer TXE75E is a true speed demon of the year. Sliding into number 2 is the ASUS PCIe AX3000BT. If you're looking for next-level wireless without jumping into Wi-Fi 7 just yet, the ASUS PCIe AX3000BT is a smart move. This Wi-Fi 6E adapter delivers up to 2402 megabits on both the 5 GHz and 6 GHz bands, plenty of muscle for streaming 4K content, gaming without lag, or downloading large files. It uses OFDMA and MU-MIMO tech to manage multiple devices smoothly on the same network, while Bluetooth 5.2 makes syncing accessories easy. The magnetized antenna base helps you find the sweet spot for better signal strength, and WPA3 encryption gives you added peace of mind. You'll have it installed in a PCIe X1 slot in minutes, and it even includes a low-profile bracket for smaller PC cases. Windows 11 offers full functionality, but keep in mind Windows 10 won't support the 6 GHz. At around $55 to $70 with a 3-year warranty, it's a standout value. At number 3, the Netgear Nighthawk 8000. Need high-speed internet on the go? The Netgear Nighthawk 8000 brings Wi-Fi 6E performance in a sleek USB package, perfect for users with laptops or desktops lacking a PCIe slot. With speeds up to 1201 megabits on 5 GHz and 6 GHz bands, it's great for HD streaming, video calls, and online gaming. The flip-up antenna boosts signal direction, and the included cradle helps you place it where it works best. Thanks to USB 3.0, installation is plug-and-play on Windows 11. Though Windows 10 won't support 6 GHz, the adapter still delivers strong dual-band performance. There's no Bluetooth, and USB's bandwidth limits it slightly compared to PCI options, but it makes up for it with portability and ease. Whether you're setting up a mobile workstation, upgrading an old desktop, or want fast Wi-Fi on multiple devices, it's ready to go wherever you need it. Priced at around $80 with a 1-year warranty, it's a bit more than some USB adapters, but worth it for the added flexibility. Number 4 is the TP-Link Archer T9UH. Budget shoppers, take note. The TP-Link Archer T9UH offers solid wireless performance without breaking the bank. Supporting Wi-Fi 5 speeds of up to 1300 Mbps on 5 GHz and 600 Mbps on 2.4 GHz, it's ideal for casual users who browse, stream, or video chat on older networks. 4 high-gain antennas combined with beamforming tech help extend range and stability, making it especially useful in larger homes or setups further from the router. No 6 GHz or Bluetooth here, but for the price, it covers the basics well. The USB 3.0 connection makes setup easy. Just plug it in and you're online in minutes. The included cradle gives you better placement flexibility, and it works smoothly on both Windows 10 and 11. Linux users might need to fiddle with drivers a bit. Priced around $50 with a 2-year warranty, it delivers strong value for the money. For those with basic networking needs or older PCs, the Archer T9UH is a dependable and budget-friendly pick of the year. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Cudy AX3000. Looking to step into Wi-Fi 6E without draining your wallet, the Cudy AX3000/AX5400 has your back. Powered by the Intel AX10 chipset, it delivers up to 2402 megabits over 5 and 6 GHz, ideal for high-bandwidth tasks like gaming, HD streaming, or fast downloads. OFDMA and MU-MIMO support ensure smooth performance in busy households, and Bluetooth 5.2 handles your wireless peripherals with ease. The PCIe installation is simple, with broad compatibility on Windows 11 and even Linux. Windows 10 won't get 6 GHz, but the 5 GHz speeds still pack a punch. High-gain antennas boost range, while WPA3 encryption helps keep your connection secure. At just around $40 with a 1-year warranty, it's hard to find a better performer at this price point. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best wireless internet adapters for PC in 2025. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're staying connected. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and tap the bell so you never miss your next tech upgrade. All the product links and the latest pricing are down in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay fast, stay smooth, and we'll catch you in the next one.